So let's whiz over and look at the at gold next. Okay, so this is the daily chart of GC, and you can see it's just doing nothing. Okay, it's going in a sideways move. That to me smacks of a B wave. I think where I've got the 4 here is more likely the A. All of this was the B, and we're going to get a C up. I'm looking for a pop in the metals to 1228 and possibly as high as 1247. Okay, and then the final fifth down to our 1149 area that we're looking for. So if we take that into the 4-hour chart, there you can see this. You know, I'm not even going to bother to label that other than to suggest that the bottom of it was probably a B. The 1.0 extension for the A to C relationship is at 1238 GC. It can pull back initially from the highs we're at and then move up. But let's see, ultimately I'm expecting gold to resolve to the upside in the shorter term and then give us that final pop down to 1149 to get the long-term long trades in place in GC.